I just saw this article, Bitcoin so bullish at 23K as analyst reveals new BTC price metrics. Market analyst Cole Garner suggests that Bitcoin bulls are in for a treat amid an ongoing BTC price renaissance. Now the article goes on to go over things like ratio of BTC to stablecoins across exchanges. But even with these on-chain metrics signaling bullish moves for Bitcoin, I just want to go over this one piece of data on the Bitcoin charts that I just can't stop paying attention to. There's one thing I know when I look at the Bitcoin charts, and it's this. Bitcoin, in its entire history, really has never been where it is right now. And I'm referring to one piece of data on the daily chart that I want to talk about in this video. So right now, there's talk of bullish continuation. And if that happens, it really would be a treat for Bitcoin bulls. This would be something that Bitcoin really has never done before. And I want to explain in this very short video why that is. The reason why this is going to be a short video is because it's regarding one piece of data on the charts. It's the RSI on the daily chart. It's extremely overbought. And if we're just putting aside any bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment, and we're just being real, we're strictly just looking at the data right now. When Bitcoin gets overbought like this, historically, it falls, it consolidates. And that's not a bad thing. It's not even necessarily a bearish thing. This could be a very bullish thing. And it's also worth just pointing out, if you look at the daily RSI, it's showing bearish divergence. Meaning on the price chart, we have higher highs, and on the momentum chart, we're seeing lower highs. Even though we all sit here and we want to see Bitcoin and crypto keep going to the upside, it's just something that we can't ignore. We should just start paying attention to an indicator like that. Now, the two most recent times Bitcoin was more overbought than it is right now was December 2017, which was the bull market of 2017, and November 2013, which was the bull market in November 2013. Now, this is exactly why Bitcoin finds itself in such a unique time, because Bitcoin has never been exiting a bear market in such overbought conditions on the daily chart. Now, what's most notable is in each of those two times, in 2013 and 2017, Bitcoin retraced. It did consolidate to test extremely important moving averages on the daily chart, namely the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and that's a test that is extremely necessary right now for Bitcoin. But as I sit here and I record this video right now, Bitcoin has still not tested these moving averages in this overbought environment. So now we have Bitcoin right now trading in this crazy fashion that has not done so ever, meaning Bitcoin's not in a bull market high right now. And there's talk of bullish continuation with all of the separation from these moving averages on the daily chart. So if Bitcoin does continue to the upside right now, that is going to be ridiculously bullish, unique, and a very compelling piece of data that really will have me personally looking at Bitcoin charts and crypto a little bit differently, questioning what is really going on here. I think it's also important to note the heavy correlation between what's going on with equity markets. Now, when the daily chart was overbought in 2017 and 2013, it's important to note that S&P 500 was in its own bull market, hitting new highs. And right now it's clear S&P 500 is not in a bull market. It's in a shorter term bull run, but that's about it. So if Bitcoin bulls do push forward with this move of momentum to the upside without consolidating to these moving averages, it's going to be extremely remarkable. But as always, everybody, nobody knows what's going to happen next. We just sit here, we speculate, we try and figure it out as we go along, we track the data. It's going to be an interesting week for sure. Even this weekend, this daily chart on Bitcoin, whatever happens next is going to really be something for the history books. Time will tell. I hope you're all enjoying your weekend out there. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.